All right, so you've gotten the book or you've ordered it. You may have the ebooks. You can go to it right now. You may have to wait till shipping comes. But people have asked, okay, now what? How do we teach this? What's the schedule? How do we do this? And so, what I mentioned first is to get started right away and make sure you teach these lessons every day. Pick a topic. You can start with just topic number one, or you can go with whatever topic you need that week. Pick a memory verse for the week out of those days. Okay, that's a good verse. I want my kids and I to memorize that. And then teach it, okay? Anytime. The Bible says to teach our children when they lie down, when they rise up, when they sit, when they walk by the way. And so you can teach them anytime. It's best to do in a family devotion setting, and I'll give you that in a little bit. But literally anytime. If you have the ebook on your phone, you can pull it up, know the topic of it, you can talk about it while you're driving them to soccer practice, when you're on your way to church, when you're going to the store. Teach them anytime, whether it's at dinner time and you're getting ready to eat and you're waiting for the meal to be done, or maybe you're done with dinner and you're sitting there and to do it, or before you go to bed at night. So no matter what, find some time to do it. Maybe when you're tucking the kids in at night and, hey, let's go over this memory verse. Let me teach this lesson. Okay? So the first is to just anytime do it. If you miss a day, don't beat yourself up. You can read two of them in a day. It's not going to mess something up. There are many days and schedules where we're carrying the kids in when we come in late at night. All right, get up, sit down, we're going to have devotions. No, we didn't do that. But you want to get in a schedule and a habit, topic for the week, and find a time to teach it. Now, as far as devotions go, let me give you our little outline that we do. I'll send you in a little bit, a day or so, an actual video of us doing family devotion so you can see sort of what we do. But here's a simple little outline. It's not preaching time. It's not, I don't have a pulpit. I don't get in the living room and, all right, kids, listen up and let them have it. It's not that at all. Family devotion time is warm, it's encouraging, it's helpful, enjoyable, bonding, and really is a special time, and it ought to be that way. So the first thing we always do is open with a song. Open with a song. All right, whose day is it? And whoever's day it is, they get to pick the song, and they also pray. And so it's my day. All right, what song do you want to sing? And they have their song, and we sing it a cappella, fun, neat, warming. And so to pick a song that warms and opens the heart up, gets the dial tuned in on their heart. The second is blessings. All right, who's got something good today? So much of the world is negative and complaining and hard, and we want to know the good things. And so if you know some good things, you can remind them and help them. But people ought to talk about the blessings of life, how good God has been, what God's done for us, little things that happen. I finished this. I got a good grade on a test. I got a job. I got a pay raise. Whatever's going on, the whole family to open and discuss and enjoy the blessings that we have. And then prayer requests. Okay, what do we need to pray for? There's some things that get brought up every time. People that have needs, we get brought up every time. Maybe something special going on with them and the family. But to do that prayer request, and then the one person prays. And they're not always going to remember everything, depending on their age. And that's okay. God saw them, and we're praying for them also. And then the lesson. Simply, then the lesson. You can simply read it. Okay, that's why you have the book. You can read it, or you could have read it during the day and you can summarize it and teach it just from you. That's fine too. You can discuss it. You can ask questions about it. But as you see, the lessons aren't long, okay? But it's that repetition. It's every day, that same topic for 7 days. Putting that in their mind, helping them with that. And so, and then, all right, we're done with devotions. A lot of times they just hang out. We've had them hang out 30 minutes, an hour, talking, discussing, laughing, whatever. It's a good time. But just, all right, devotions are done. If you need to go, if you want to hang out, that's fine. But a good bonding time. So very simple. That's the outline. You'll see it here in the email. But make that happen. Have fun with it. Enjoy it. It shouldn't be a negative, hard time. It's not the time to discipline everybody for anything that they did. This is a family devotion, a prayer time, family altar, many times it's called. But if you can't get everyone together, still teach the truth. Still go over the memory verse. By the way, when you go into a new week, you still want to remember, okay, last week's topic was, and last week memory verse was, to go through that. Carry that over 2 weeks so you keep that memory verse in their mind so it's locked in there forever. Okay? All right, short video of what we do and how to use this. If you have any questions, let me know. God bless.